In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of Temu, clear your Chrome cookies and cache, and register with a different account. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can follow along without confusion. If you want to create a fresh Temu account in Chrome, one of the most important things to do is make sure you're fully signed out of your current account first, and then clear your browser data so Chrome is not automatically holding onto old session information. Start by opening Chrome and going to temu.com. Once the website loads, look toward the top area of the page for your profile name. Move your mouse over that profile section to open the account menu. When the menu appears, click Sign Out. This makes sure your current Temu account is logged out before you do anything else. After that, the next step is to clear Chrome's cookies and cache. This is useful because websites often store sign-in details and browsing data that can keep recognizing your previous account. To open the Clear Browsing Data window quickly, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time if you're on Windows. If you're using a Mac, press Command, Shift, and Delete instead. Chrome will open the browsing data settings right away. From there, clear your cookies and cached images and files. This helps remove saved website data that may interfere with creating or accessing a different Temu account. If you want the cleanest result, make sure the relevant boxes for cookies and cache are selected before confirming the action. Once that's done, give Chrome a moment to finish clearing the data. Now go back to the Temu homepage. On the main page, click Sign In Register. This will take you to the account access screen where you can begin setting up a different account. At this stage, enter a completely new email address that has not been used for your current Temu account, or choose the option to link a different Google account instead. The key here is that the account information must be different from what you used before. That way, Temu recognizes it as a new registration. As a final tip, make sure you don't accidentally let Chrome autofill old account details from a previous login. Double check the email or Google account you select before continuing. And that's it. You've signed out, cleared your browser data, and started the registration process with a different account in Chrome.